Discover the coolest Amazon cart gadgets that blend smart design with everyday practicality. From time-saving tools to sleek organizers, these picks make driving easier, safer, and a lot more fun. All the product links are in the video description. Mini Orbital Polisher. Achieve a flawless shine with this variable speed 12-volt mini polisher. Its rechargeable design makes it perfect for at-home or mobile detailing. Delivers smooth, swirl-free results on all vehicle surfaces. Compact yet powerful for both beginners and professionals. Enjoy effortless polishing and restore your car's showroom finish. Tevlafi Steering Wheel Lock. Protect your car with this heavy-duty, adjustable steel steering wheel lock. Its solid design acts as a powerful visual deterrent against theft. Features 3 precision-cut keys for secure locking every time. Fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks with ease. A must-have device for peace of mind wherever you park. WeatherTech Floor Liner Kit. Keep your car mats spotless with this professional cleaner and protector duo. Designed to remove dirt, salt, and stains without damaging materials. Restores your mat's original color and texture for a fresh look. Easy to use and safe for all WeatherTech liners. Maintain a clean, well-kept car interior year-round. Top Install Bronco Organizer. Maximize your Bronco space with this perfectly fitted center console tray. Organize your essentials neatly for quick and easy access. Crafted from durable ABS plastic that resists scratches and wear. Fits 2025 4-door full-size models for a seamless look. Ideal for drivers who value order and practicality. Joy Tudis Wrangler Mirrors. Experience safer off-road driving with these vibration-free Jeep mirrors. Designed for 2018 to 2023 Wrangler JL/JLU and Gladiator JT models. Offers a wider field of view and easy installation with ball adapters. Built to withstand tough terrain and heavy winds. Perfect for Jeep lovers who crave clarity and style. Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter. Bring your car back to life in seconds with this 4000A Jump Starter. Supports both gas and diesel engines with a powerful quick charge feature. Compact design fits easily in your glove box or trunk. Includes LED display, flashlight, and safety cables. A lifesaver for road trips and emergencies alike. Apps to Car Tablet Holder. Securely mount your tablet with this ultra-stable car holder. Features a heavy-duty suction cup and adjustable double-ribbed arm. Ideal for navigation, streaming, or work use on the go. Compatible with iPads, Samsung, and all major tablets. Keep your device steady no matter where the road leads. Bluetooth 5.3 FM Transmitter. Enjoy wireless connectivity and premium sound in your car. Features fast charging ports, noise-canceling calls, and LED lighting. Connects seamlessly to any Bluetooth device for music or calls. Built from durable all-metal materials for long life. Transform every drive into a connected experience with ease. Sinotrack HUD Speedometer. Stay informed with this digital heads-up speed display. Projects MPH, compass, and overspeed alerts onto your windshield. Easy plug-and-play setup via USB connection. Compact design suits any vehicle dashboard perfectly. Drive smarter and safer with clear, instant speed visibility. BMK 200-watt Power Inverter. Stay powered anywhere with this compact 200-watt inverter, converting DC 12 volts to AC 110 volts. Equipped with multiple fast-charging USB ports, including QC 3.0 and Type-C. Ideal for charging laptops, phones, and cameras while driving. Built-in safety features prevent overheating and short circuits. A road trip essential for powering all your tech with ease. Car Seat Gap Organizer. Keep your car clutter-free with this dual seat gap organizer set. Includes cup holders, phone slots, and hooks for optimal convenience. Fits snugly beside your seat to catch small items and maximize space. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials for long-lasting use. Perfect for drivers who love order and easy access to essentials. Dual Mode OBD2 HUD. Upgrade your dashboard with this dual OBD2 plus GPS heads-up display. Projects speed, RPM, and temperature onto your windshield for safe viewing. Includes overspeed alarms and auto brightness adjustment for any lighting. compatible with most 2009 plus vehicles for seamless installation. Drive smarter with clear, instant driving data always in sight. Mini car vacuum. Keep your vehicle spotless with this 12,000 PA cordless vacuum and air duster combo. Lightweight, portable design reaches every tight corner easily. Includes dual filters for deep cleaning dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Ideal for car interiors, sofas, or office desks. Rechargeable and efficient for quick cleanups anytime, anywhere. 4000A jump starter plus air compressor. Never get stranded with this multifunctional 4000A jump starter. Features a 150 psi air compressor, flashlight, and emergency power bank. Starts all gas and up to 10-liter diesel engines effortlessly. Includes durable jumper cables and a compact EVA carrying case. The perfect emergency companion for every vehicle owner. Car Dent Puller Kit. Easily remove dents from your car with this powerful suction puller set. Includes large and small tools for versatile use on cars, glass, or tiles. Saves money by avoiding costly body shop visits. Ergonomic handles ensure a firm, comfortable grip while repairing. A handy, simple solution to restoring smooth surfaces instantly. Dual head car fan. Beat the heat with this dual 360 degrees rotating USB car fan. 3 adjustable speeds deliver powerful airflow where you need it most. Mounts easily to dashboards or consoles for convenience. Ultra-quiet operation keeps your ride peaceful and fresh. Hulkman Alpha 85 Jump Starter. Start your vehicle confidently with this 2000A Smart Jump Starter. Built-in 3.3-inch display shows real-time battery status and charge levels. Functions as a 65-watt USB-C power bank for laptops and devices. Designed for engines up to 8.5 liters gas or 6.0 liters diesel. Rugged and reliable, your ultimate road rescue companion. Halo Bolt Air Plus Jump Starter. Power up your car, SUV, or truck with this all-in-one emergency unit. Features a built-in 100 psi air compressor and 55.5-watt H power bank. Includes bright floodlight and USB ports for charging on the go. TSA approved and compact for safe travel and storage. A stylish, practical essential for everyday drivers. Steering wheel tray. Turn your car into a workspace or dining area in seconds. This steering wheel tray includes cup holders and pen holders for convenience. Perfect for eating, writing, or using a laptop during breaks. Attaches easily and removes without tools or damage. Great for travelers, delivery drivers, and busy professionals. Portable 9.3-inch CarPlay dash cam. Experience next-level connectivity with this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen. Features 4K front and 180p rear dash cams for total visibility. Includes backup camera, Bluetooth, FM, and aux for full integration. Easy dashboard mount setup with sleek, modern design. Transform any car into a smart infotainment powerhouse. Leather Care Cream Set. Restore and protect your car's leather with this 2-piece cleaning and conditioning set. Gently removes dirt, stains, and wear for a smooth finish. Adds lasting shine and flexibility to seats, dashboards, and trims. Easy to apply with minimal effort for professional results. Keep your interior looking new, soft, and refreshed.